Hello everyone, my name is Avika Jain and in this presentation I am going to tell you what is force, what force can do and different types of forces. So let's start learning. Definition of force. Force is a push or pull acting on an object which changes or tends to change the state of the object. For example, block pushed by two persons or a car being pushed. A force applied to an object can change its state of motion. Change in state of motion means a change in either the speed of an object or its direction of motion or both. For example, pulling a rope is a change in its speed, or taking out color out of a tube is a change in its shape. Now let's see some types of forces. Forces can be classified on contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces is a force that is exerted only when two objects are touching each other. An example of a contact force is muscular force. Muscular force is the force applied using parts of the body like muscles. Another example of a contact force is frictional force. The force which opposes the motion of a moving object is called a frictional force. There are two things to remember about frictional force. First, the force of friction always acts on all the moving objects. Second, the direction of force of friction is always opposite to the direction of motion of a moving object. Now let's understand what a non-contact force. A force that acts when two objects are not physically in contact with each other is known as a non-contact force. Example of a non-contact force is magnetic force, which is an attractive or repulsive force between the poles of a magnet. Now let's see what is an electrostatic force. Force exerted by a charged object on another charged or uncharged object is known as an electrostatic force. Another example of a non-contact force is gravity. The force of attraction which is caused by Earth, which attracts things to itself, is called gravity. Gravity is not the property of Earth alone. Every small or large object in the universe exerts a force on every object, which is known as gravitation.